These are our M18 and M12 battery holder. So for the M18, these click into place. For your battery holder, they're secure, and then use the tabs to lock it out. A few features of our M18 battery holder: we've got these 4 holes so you can screw it to a wall or floor, and we've also got these tabs so it locks into place. So all you gotta do is slot that in and that's gonna lock in place. Same thing for our M12 battery holders. The only difference is these come in a 3-pack, and all you gotta do is push this in. That's gonna lock in, and you can use the tabs on the battery to bring it out. We've also got holes in the back here to screw it to a wall, so you can have up to 3. This fits all the M12 batteries, doesn't matter on the amperage. They come in 2 different colors. We've got red and black, depending on your needs. The reason we created the battery holders is I was sick of having a drawer full of all our tools, batteries everywhere, and I'm trying to find dead ones or ones that have full charge. So we end up putting all our battery holders in a row as soon as you open up the drawer in the back of our vehicles, and we always had our dead batteries to the left and our fully charged ones to the right. So we need to be more efficient, we're going to be more profitable, we're just wasting time on site. So that's why we created these battery holders for the M12 and M18 system.